Hello students, we are in chapter number 5, Arithmetic Progression, Exercises 5.3. Okay, we have taken a question. Let us read the question and let us mark the main point. If the sum of the first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, we will find the sum of first n terms. This is the question. Alright, so we will frame two equations. Let us see how we proceed. We know actually this is the use of sum of n terms. Okay, so let us write the formula. N into twice a plus n minus 1 into d divided by 2. Okay, here what is given? Sum is how much? 49. So let us write 49 of how many terms? 7 terms. Twice a is unknown, n is 7, 7 minus 1, d is also not known. So we have to find at first a and d from these two equations. Okay, then we can solve this sum. So this is 49, 7, this is twice a plus 7 minus 6 d by 2. This is 49. Now you see student, this is in this side 7 by 2 is multiplied with this. In this side it will divide, so we will take the reciprocal. So this is twice a plus 6d. Okay, so can cancel. So let us frame the equation twice a plus 6d equal to 7 to the 14. This is our first equation. Now from there let us frame the second equation. Alright, so again let us write the same formula again. S is equal to n into twice a plus n minus 1 into d divided by 2. Okay, sorry, S equal to how much? 289. N, sum of how many terms? 17. It is given 17 here. A is not known, n is 17 minus 1, d we have to find out by 2. Okay student, have you understood? Okay, so here it is 289. It is 17, this is twice a plus 17 minus 1 is 16, this is d by 2. So 289. Again we shall bring this 17 by 2 in this side, so it will be 2 by 17 twice a plus 16d. Okay, we can cancel this. This is 17, 17 to the 34. So here the equation becomes twice a plus 16d, 17 to the 34. Okay, so we have got two equations. We will solve for a and d. After solving, we shall find this. As there is no space, so let us proceed to the next page. Okay, now here we have written the two equations. Let us solve. We will subtract as they have the same coefficient. Subtracting, in short I am writing, this is minus, this will be minus, this will be minus. 2 twice will get cancelled. This is minus 10d, this is minus 20. Okay, so d equal to minus 20 by minus 10. We can simplify now. This 2. Okay, now we have found the value of 2. Now we want to find the value of a. So we will put the value of a in any of these two equations. So let us write putting the value of d in equation 1. We get, what do we get? Twice a plus 6 into 2 is 14. So twice a, it is 12, 14. So twice a equal to 14 minus 12. So twice a equal to 2. Now let us solve here. So from here a equal to 2 by 2. So a is 1. So we have solved for a and d. Okay, a is 1, d is 2. Now what is the question? Question is find the sum of first n terms. So let us write the same formula again. We know S is equal to n twice a plus n minus 1 into d by 2. Okay, sum of n terms. So n will remain as n twice a is how much? 1. n will remain as n minus 1 into d. d is 2. Now this is very easy for us now. N, this is 2, we should multiply n into 2 twice n, minus 2 into 1, 2, 2. This 2 will get cancelled. So it is n into this twice n, 2. This 2 will get cancelled, n square. So sum of n terms is n square. Okay student, now let us do what we have taken. The next question, let us read the question. Show that a1, a2, an form an AP whose an is defined as an equal to 9 minus 5n. Also find the sum of the first 15 terms. So there are two parts. First part. Okay, let us solve the first part. Now here the n term is given as 9 minus 5n. Okay, now question is at first a1, a2, that is the terms are AP. Is it okay? Here only n terms is given. It is not said about the nature of the progression. We have to prove that it is an AP. So how can we prove? The rule is that the difference between two consecutive terms must be same. That rule will follow. So let us find the few terms here, few consecutive terms. Here a1. So if an is 9 minus 5n, so whenever we will find a1, that is in place of n, how we put it is n, it is also n. If it is 1, in place of n, we shall write 1. So it is 9 minus 5 is 4. A2, 9 minus, in place of n, what will write? 5 into n, 5 into, so it will be 2, as it is 2. 9 minus 10, so it is minus 1. A3, 9 minus 5 into 3, 9 minus 15, it is minus 6. Okay students, now let us check the difference between two consecutive terms. So here second term minus first term, a2 minus a1, minus 1 minus 4, minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. a3 minus a2, minus 6, this minus this, minus 1, so it is minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Now what we observe, the difference between two consecutive terms is same, so it is an AP. So let us write the statement. Since the difference between any two consecutive terms is same, how much it is? Minus 5. Same, so it is an AP. It means a1, a2, an. Okay, now let us solve the second part. Here in the second part, a was how much? 9 minus 5, it is 4. D was minus 5. Now let us find the sum. We know S equal to n into twice a plus n minus 1 into d divided by 2. Now here n is how much? 15. We have to find the sum of the first 15 terms. So in place of n, let us write 15. 2 into a is 4. N is how much? 15 minus 1 into d is minus 5. Okay student, just we have to simplify now. Main part we have done. 15 2 4 is 8. This is 14 into minus 5. This is very easy for you students. 15, 8, 70 by 2. Now the remaining part let us do here. This is 15, you can check, into 8 minus 70 minus 62 divided by 2. Okay student, now let us simplify. This 2 and 62 is 31. So answer will be, let us multiply 31 into 15. So this is 5, 4. So minus 465. Okay students? So please practice this type of sum. Thank you.